My name is Bill Hackett, and I work with Clyde's Delicious Donuts, and that's right here in Addison, Illinois, and I'm the maintenance guy. Well, MVP is in modules. You have a work order module, you have a purchasing module, and there are other stuff too, but what's nice about it is you can pick and choose. But we use the purchasing and we use the work order modules. The work order module produces and generates all of our work orders for us once we put the information in about what the equipment needs, what the different assets need, whether it's an individual piece of equipment or whether it's a system. You can put that into MVP plant along with what that system requires on a regular routine basis. And the mechanics know what they need to do from those work orders, and they do them. The purchasing part, in seconds, I issue a purchase order, everything's recorded, everything I purchase is attributed to a specific asset or a specific system. So all of my costs are documented by me in seconds in that purchase order. But purchasing, I don't need a purchasing guy because I can issue a purchase order through MVP in seconds. And the work orders, I don't have to issue any work to be done because the program generates the work orders for me. Communication is key, and MVP plant makes that possible.